Hi there, how are you doing today? We're going to see how to make a transfer with Ace Money Transfer, and well, the process is quite simple. We're going to open our browser and type in Ace Money Transfer, then we'll go to this link right here. Here, what we're going to do is select the country. In this case, we'll choose either the United States or the United Kingdom, either one works. And here, for example, we'll enter India. Mine. And here we're going to click this button that says Proceed with Payment Transfer. And now, let's wait for it to load. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking this button here. Now here we're going to set all the necessary parameters to send the money. Here we're going to choose to do it via bank transfer. Alright, here we'll enter certain required details such as PIO partner. And here we're going to specify how much money we would send in the chosen currency that we have selected. Then we click this button and proceed to send the money by filling in our payment details and the payment or bank details of the person who will receive the money. It's really very simple. I hope it works for you. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.